Ka United Democratic Party kala Pyllait Iakhun Kyrtong baning kong jong kilai pu Ngut ki Kyrtong na ka benta ka MLA election arhajar Pyllait. Katup Kyrtong ka babuot kan sapan benasyen hakini ki singi banwan. Habakren hakani ka jinya lang kabaladon lang baro ki MLA bat kinongkit kam ka party uba met ba uloong. Bakaladei ka por bakipait ba kin ailat ya ka UDP bansin shar ya ka jilla kum ka sanctuary ka batip bat sngotu ya la ka jing ang nuot jo upait ba ka jilla kum balong hakiwei ki jilla ban kiar na ki seng national parties. Uloong bahaka UDP omdon High Command omdon Big Boss baro kilong kaway.
From 1994, and he was also former chairman of in charge of social welfare and presently the president of the UDP Youth Wing. Moonlight Pyllait was former MDC for 5 consecutive terms from 1994, and he was also former chairman of Chief Executive. He is also presently the MDC in the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council from 16 Shangpung constituency in Meghalaya. Next, MDA government in charge of home and education. MDC and EM in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Woman was former MLA and contested elections from the APHLC, HPU and UDP from the year 19... Ngut was MLA for 2 consecutive terms, and he is presently the minister 3 consecutive terms. Was former DHS and an MBBS doctor. Acting president of the UDP, former MLA and minister, and former president of the Khasi Students Union. Government of Meghalaya. Is a social worker and a popular local singer. MDC and Chief Executive Member for a party. And today I feel that it is also a very special day for the party. In fact, we are the first party to make the first announcement of the list of candidates who are going to contest in the coming Assembly elections 2023. I will read out the names of the candidates whom the State Election Committee has approved on the 22nd of November 2022. I just wanted to remind you that on the 22nd of November, the State Election Committee sat, and the State Election Committee approved 32 names. This is the first list, 32 names from the different constituencies, from the different districts of the state of Meghalaya. But unfortunately, because of the Mukro incident, we were not able to make the announcement on the 22nd of November, so we had to postpone it till today. So as requested by the President, I will read out the names of the candidates which the State Election Committee has approved. And after reading out the name, each and every one of them, one by one, to come forward. And I would like to request our respected President to do the honor of felicitating them. So I will read out the list of the candidates, starting from UDP, from East Jandia Hills District, from 6th Cleariat Constituency, Shri Kerman Shilla, from West Jandia Hills District, I'll read out the names first and then we will call one by one. From West Jandia Hills District, we have 5 candidates. From 1 Nartiang Constituency, Shri Dawan Lingdo. From 2 Joai Constituency, Shri Moonlight Paryat. From 3 Raliang Constituency, Shri J. Trailang Suchang. From 4 Mukayao Constituency, Shri Nujorki Sungo. From 7 Amlarem Constituency, Shri Lakman Rumbui. From Ribhoi District, we have 3 candidates. From 8 Mahati Constituency, Shri Bayahun Lang Makdo. From 10 Jirang Constituency, Shri Bathok Nongmale. From 11 Umsning Constituency, Shri Sunshine Makri. From East Khasi Hills District, from 13 Maurangkneng Constituency, Dr. Osafi Smithson Jirwa. From 20 Milam Constituency, Shri Mitchell Wankar. From 23 Soyong Constituency, Shri HDR Lingdo. From 25 Mausanram Constituency, Shri Olan Singh Sun. From 26 Shela Constituency, Shri Balajit Kupar Sinrem. From 27 Panursla Constituency, Shri Anthony Khongwang. From 28 Sora Constituency, Shri Tito Starwell Khan. From 29 Maukanro Constituency, Shri Remington Pengro. So altogether, 8 candidates from East Khasi Hills. Then we have from 32 Nongsan Constituency, Shri Polestar Nongsid. Then we come to East and West Khasi Hills District. From 31 Mauthat Rashan Constituency, Shri Brolding Nongsid. From 30 Mairang Constituency, Shri Medba Lingdo. And then we come to Southwest Khasi Hills. From 35 Ranikor Constituency, Shri Pius Marwin. Then we come to Shillong City. From 17 North Shillong Constituency, Dr. Amanwar. From 18 West Shillong, Shri Paul Lingdo. From 21 Nongthamai Constituency, Dr. Jemino Mautho. And then we have 3 candidates as of now from Shillong City. And then we have from Garo Hills. From North Garo Hills district, we have 4 candidates. From 37 Kharkuta constituency, Shri Ludeberg C.H. Momin. From 38 Mendipathar constituency, Shri Subroto G. Mara. From 39 Resubelpara constituency, Shri Taposh D. Mara. From 40 Bajangdoba constituency, Shri Rakman C.H. Mara. And then we have from East Garo Hills district, from 42 Rongjeng constituency, Shri Andreas G. Momen. And then finally we have from West Garo Hills district, 2 candidates. From Southwest Garo Hills, we have from 55 Salmanpara constituency, Shri Ronald Rickman Sangma. And then we have from West Garo Hills district, 2 candidates. From 57 Dalu constituency, Shri Kennethson R. Sangma. And we have from 47 Rajabala constituency, Shri Ashahel D. Shira. So friends who are present here, and one candidate is not able to come because of his sickness, and one candidate is on the way from Garo Hills. So now I would like to request, so the list of names is, the total number is 32. 32, we have 32. This is the first list. The second list will also be announced shortly, but this is the first list. So now I will call the
Bat kajaran khatu bagade ke sini ke bangi burom ya kawai na kinong nile kinong Iakhun jong ke jing lai loi ka phan nong lai lesi ka arpo atarik ke bangi lajit anu brai buladep ngim simlala ban penlong ya ka jing penbenai ya ki Kyrtong jungi na ka parti UDP kapan wandur mentang sini rekat bat kani keneng Iakhun bat kenong yale ya ke jelai dut kapan nong lain ngapet bat nakalian ke parti rungi pedlang ya ki kandidat mentang ki bagila jiet officially haka first list jong ke parti UDP ba kin pet Baterai yang agam da kejingtu ban pet naga banta ke state par kajai perlu jongi haga state ke jongi labon teli kisnem nilayu I ba kajing sencha adon the national party but ngimla claim da pet bat nujor bat kiwe bat ki political bat kiwe bat state Kumga Mizoram dan Nagaland, Sikkim, Hakaba, kini ki regional party, ki wan bat ki sensyara kabor. Naman, ngidon hangni, ka UDP, Iaka balaseng bat sedang, da lead iki molong. Rengkat bat ki noyalam ki leader, hakatu kabor. Bat ngasomanong, bangidon yang ka party ka babet, ka babiang, ban yo ia ka jing sincha ka pura sharung seneng man mangile sigidong gitahan ki paper ngisung tu ba ki babon ki pajba ki kwa ban ai no ia ka jing kesan ka pura ia ka parti ki UDP ban ka bakam sung tu nak chuchu ka long ba ki don bon ki leader na ki national party menta ki lawan ia ka ban penyesno bat ka UDP Ni pechuchu sekiwegi state, kuma Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, nanta West Bengal, Orissa, batum tatar. Kini rukidai ki regional party ki basensa dala de lade. Bada mangi pech nagi babon nagi ni state. ngi sibon ki development but sibon ki kam ki bagi tray kalong baik naga bentak ke welfare jong ki nong song sinong ki badan apa ka tugas dia hagani ga jo onong rim naga len jong ilu kum ka parti UDP kum balok ren bat pen song ne kalong bangi kwa banyu i ba ka parti UDP kan wan hagani sinsha but I ia ka jing sinsha ka ba bet ka ba biang ka ban penolong ia ka jing community jong ki pai ba jong state ti hagani ka por nakalian jong bat nakalian jong ka parti rengkat bat pi kum ki candidate jong ka parti UDP ngene yang ka wei ban Iakhun yang ada election arjar pula mentang si kadang dai tang ka first list kadang dai tang ka list ka beningkong ka bangin pinmi hoy ngim simla bandan baro ki candidate mentang si dan tang arnot ki bom simla ban poi wei na mar ka jing sitam ka jong ban wei ban udang dan halenti ban udang ban wan se silong ha ka bangin se pendep sibet ndolo poi silong ya ki wei ban ki bentak berasa ni community bakane ka list ka bom ngi pinmi mentang si kam dei su ka list ka ba po lai po ngila ai lai po plus ka bom lai po an mon ki candidate ya mentang si ka bom kani ka don ka jing tu jong ka parti ban nga so ban ai ku play ka state election committee ding ba ki wei committee ki ba pher jong ka parti ki be song na ka por sa ka por na ka banta ban ya perkhat sani ban penwandur ya ki no ki candidate ki ba ide dor ban ha ka ba ki pai ba ki pediang nga so ba ban petit api yang ne bagi bobon ki konsensi ngila yolan ban le yu kijat da kalian ka parti ban yu i da sisa ya ki no kersian om tang candidate ndrei wat ki no kersian ki ba kalalong ka ba compare bat ka ba kam nyar mangi yu i ya ka jikkersian ya ka parti UDP ha ki por ba ki snem ki ba le nga yu i ba ka ni don sisa ka jing dawa na ka benta yangi kung kinong yalam ban yalam ya ka state da ka ba ngin Iakhun ya ka election altar pulai nakaliang jonga ban nakaliang ka parti ai ka jing por ka pamantang yasno na ki saudong saukun ya ka jing ut ya ka jing nam jong ki bobon balang ka don ka jing dawa baka dai ban don ka jing kala ha ka sensyar kada ni don ka UDP ni ban ai ban terwa sekipai ba jong ka state namang ngi so thu khamba mi ha ka bai dai ban ka identity la ne ka jinglong jai bin riu rum jungi ban ngi so thu ru na ka banta kino ki bang imut ban plan la ne ban perkhat ha ka bai dai na ka banta ki jai bin riu jungi ban ha ka ju ko por ngi don kata ka ru kom perkhat ka balai lu na ka banta ka sinsyar khada dengan so banong bakane ka UDP ka bang idon ngila ban ai ya ban gejing pun urlong ya kita gejing angnur jogi pai ba jog state ki jungi ha ka ba ya kini ki bobon ki snem la sinsyar da ki nong yalam jogi political party na sabar jog state ha ka ba kim simlala ban pun urlong ya kita kijing kimi lenti jong ki pai ba ngi kum ka UDP hang ni ngi la ban sim ya karai hala ka jong state ngim don kam ya kata ka high command la kum ki we ki political party ngim don kam ya kata ka jing control da manore ki ba sabar jong state ngrengila i bangin sensar ngila i bangin rai ngila i ban ya penbet ban ngila i ban penyai ya ki kam tang dalade ni don ka bor bangin le dalade ya de nagada daw ya mentang ni don apo ka sorkar ndre habang ekren ya ki number kalau ke kapadawa yang i menta nagabantak arjar al pulai bangin haban smutu bangi dei bandon sibon kinomi kman haga beklia legislative assembly lun komta nginiai telun siai telun kumni temla don kino iso jong kata ka jing angnot jong kipai ba ban penolong haga ne ka benta ngi pai din haki election ki bala dep la persangkat bala lagi dong yalam iba per ban late se ki pai ba ban yewel ya ki pai ba naga benta ban ai ya ka dikersang ke jok pai ba haki election ki per ne ka ba kot ka long habanyo ya ki seat ki bangi Iakhun yo pra yo sipo yo khadwe but akan kelas macam yo nrio ngim do jikirmen ban isngo ban ong ba habang isngap